I'll tell you when.
Once you take the picture, though, make sure that you crank the volume up, because sometimes it doesn't.
Okay.
So have fun with that.
Okay. So I'll take the photo. It's got a nice filter on here.
Oh.
Okay. So you mute the, and then it'll start playing the song right away.
Pretty much like a second after.
Okay.
But just make sure you
All right.
turn the volume up after you.
Okay. Do it. No way!
My God! They read you!
There's no, that's the first time.
No, I'm telling you, it fucking reads you to fit.
That's crazy. That's crazy.